Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today talking about drone 4-axis remote control aircraft. Okay, here we go to the video. 3D tumbling flight. Contact frequency lock. Mobile Wi-Fi connection. All-round protective ring. Remote control analysis. Modular battery. Fly according to planned trajectory. One-click takeoff and one-click landing. Air pressure altitude control function. Gesture photography. Colors are orange, white, and black. For more details, link is in the description. What do you guys think about this video? Remember to press the like button. Send your questions, suggestions if you have. Okay, friends, be a good person. Bye bye. So, I'm gone.